In this video, I will show you how to add products on Big Cartel store. First, go to your dashboard, then on the upper ribbon, click on the product section. Now, just click Add under Add a Product. Once in, type in a product name, then you can also add a description. Now you can also add a category, and if you don't have one yet, you can create a new one. For example, is winter clothes, and just click on save and done. Now you can set a price for that product. After that, add in an image and upload it. You can display up to 25 images if you have a premium plan. Now you can go to variant sections and add variants for your products. Then just click save once done. And that's it. You've now added a new product to your store. Now going back, you will now see your newly added product. And you can also add another one if you want to. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.